In this video, you'll learn how to add an invoice to a customer. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to create an invoice and then assign it to the customer, and the second way is to add the invoice directly from the customer's record. In this video, we'll focus on the second method, which is simpler and more direct. We navigate to any customer profile. Next, we click the Add button and then select New Invoice. Upon being redirected to the invoice creation page, we encounter a variety of fields where we can enter information tailored to our specific needs. In this video, we demonstrate the process of adding an item and issuing an invoice to gain a clear understanding of the procedure. Finally, we have successfully created an invoice for a customer from the customer profile. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.